I want to give a huge shout out to Max Speeding Rods for sending us this massive turbo. What is up, guys? We are finally back with the DDE Hummer. So we finally got the interior back. If you guys haven't seen our previous video, the interior was 3 different shades of brown. We got it stitched up all nice, as you can see. Let's kind of start off with the seats. Pretty much all Alcantara. The reason why we went with Alcantara, well, first of all, you know, the boys wanted it. So whatever they want, we make happen. Everything else but the seats, we did give it like a leathery look. But the seats, the door panels, we give it just pretty much just Alcantara everything. So as you can see, top section is just plain. The bottom section, diamond cut. Same as the seats, we have plain and we have diamond cut going through the middle. I really like this design, honestly, even the back seat. Also, we did end up getting the new carpet, which is right here. So before we start installing the interior, we obviously have to throw in the new carpet because this thing did not have carpet. I mean, it had carpet, some sections, carpet, yeah. Some other sections were missing. Carpet was just disgusting. So we got some brand new black carpet right here. This is the same carpet we used on our Humvee and our boat as well. So this is actually the boat carpet. It has the rubber on the bottom, it's waterproof. Really good carpet for this build. But that's enough talking. We're gonna go ahead and start off with the carpet, lay the carpet real quick, and then pretty much bust out the rest of the interior, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright guys, so the carpet is really simple. You pretty much just throw it on and you don't have to screw it on, bolt it on. The seats are gonna hold it here. All the trimmings are gonna hold it all around on every side. So that's pretty much it. Now we're just gonna throw all the trimmings around and the seats, right? So yeah, let's get to it. So now we just gotta figure out where all these plastics go. This thing comes with like 1,000,000 plastics, so it's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be like puzzles. At the same time, he's playing with his puzzles for the Corvette as well. He's doing the whole interior on the Corvette. So we got too much builds. We just gotta finish them fast. So let's start playing around with this stuff. Alright guys, so far it's looking really good. Everything actually is going really easily. So before we're gonna install all this, at first I wanted to complete this side, then that side, then the center. But we actually have to throw the carpet on the center first because it does go underneath here. So before we connect all these, screw them on, we have to actually install this carpet. So let's go ahead and actually install that carpet. Alright guys, so we somewhat got this side of the interior complete besides the seats. So as you can see, the clips and the screws, we just temporarily put them. We are going to put finished caps on these screws that cover. You won't be able to see it. And these clips, we do need to go to our local store and get some black ones because that's the one thing we forgot to buy. But temporarily, we just threw these on for now. So we're probably gonna go ahead and start on that side before we install any seats, because we're gonna try to throw all that side in and then the center console, that way we have room to move around. And then the last thing is probably gonna be seats. Actually, there's the last thing after the seats, which is gonna be the door panels and then full detail. So let's go ahead and move on that side and try to complete that side. Alright guys, so for now we are going to pause on this side. We did forget to buy more carpet. We did use it for the sander. We forgot about the sander. So since we used it for sander, we're gonna have enough here. And I don't wanna make it two-piece. We're gonna wanna make it one piece. And we also gotta do some little bit of wiring here, remove the amplifier, because I know they're going to go with the new amplifier and new speakers. So for now, actually, let's go back on that side and temporarily throw the seat in just to see how it looks with the seat. Before we figure out the whole situation with the carpet, I want to give a huge shout out to Max Speeding Rods for sending us this massive turbo.
Dude, that thing's a 98 millimeter.
98 millimeter, this thing is huge. So once again, huge shout out to them. We will be doing a giveaway on this turbo on our Instagram, so make sure to follow us at Foreign Builds. And we're gonna make a post describing how you can enter, and no, you don't have to buy anything or purchase anything from us. It's gonna be totally free. We will throw their website in our description, so use the code FOREIGN to get 50% off on all your purchases on their whole entire website, and they got a lot of options. That being said, good luck to you guys, and let's get back into the Hummer. Alright guys, so as you can see, we cleaned up this area really nice, ready for carpet. Roman actually had some leftover carpet at his house from his boat. It's the same carpet we're using it on our Humvee, on this Humvee, and on the boat as well. So he is bringing it over right now as we speak. So as you can see, we did remove a lot of wiring here. All this stuff right here, this is all from the amplifier, from all the speakers all around. DDE is installing a whole new surround system throughout the whole Humvee, so we're not going to be throwing in any speakers, any surround system, anything at all, because we don't know what they're going with. But now we just wait on the carpet so we can go ahead and continue with all this stuff. Guys, so we got the carpet laid out nicely, so now let's go ahead and start throwing all the side plastics. Alright guys, so we did complete this side on temporary screws and clips, just like we did on that side. So right now, let's actually go ahead and just throw the sander in. I'm just curious how it's gonna look with the whole sander piece, because this is the main area right here. So let's probably go ahead and just throw it in to see how it looks. Yo, check this out. This is finally starting to look like a Hummer again with these just massive pieces that we just ended up throwing in temporarily. But in this video, we were focusing on just throwing in the interior on temporary screws, temporary bolts. We do have to wait for the original screws, original clips to come in the mail. In the next video, we are going to be focusing on fully completing it, and we got a lot of little details. All these trimmings, all those brown trimmings, as you can see, we don't know what we're gonna do with those yet. We gotta customize something for those. And let's not forget the door panels as well. We got 4 door panels. Let's check out these door panels though. Let's throw it on. As you can see, the speaker goes here. We're not gonna cut that out because, like we mentioned, they are going with the new surround system. So we don't know what size speaker they're gonna have. So we're just gonna let them cut it out by the size that they are going to get. Yo, what do you think about that, man?
That is looking sick.
Yeah, that thing's gonna look so good with the seats and the interior. This color combination, the green with the Alcantara and the leather look, this is a lot better than it was before with
the
six different browns, man. Alright guys, but that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and also follow us on Foreign Builds, and we will catch you guys in the next.